for your family's comfort. Brought to you by Rude and Modern Heating and Plumbing.
Hi, welcome to For Your Family's Comfort, brought to you by Modern Heating and Plumbing and Rude Heating and Air Conditioning. Today we are talking about hot water heat.
That's right.
And how it can become more efficient. I didn't know much about this at all until I had to learn some stuff for today.
Well, we're going to talk about a bumblebee today.
Look at the colors, yellow and black.
Yeah,
it's like
a bumblebee. And like everybody is pretty familiar, I think, with a furnace and a forced air heating system. And of course, on your furnace, you have to have a blower to blow the air around, move the air around, whether it's the heating or air conditioning system. But you got to have, on a forced air system, you have to have a fan and a blower to move the air. If you have a boiler, which is a hydronic system, and that means the medium by which we're heating up your house is not air, but the medium is water.
And actually, there's a lot of people that do have either radiators in their home or in-floor heat.
Right. There's lots of different kinds of hydronic systems. So anyway, in order for us to move that medium around, we have to have a pump, and this is a pump that moves that water from your boiler to your radiation or through your radiant floor or whatever kind of system you have.
A lot of times folks are going to pump they might not understand, but circulator pump they do.
That's right. At any rate, this moves the water. And of course it's electric, but it's called an ECM motor, which means an electrically commutated motor, which is very, very efficient. It just runs at just a few watts rather than the full voltage and the full amp draw that most circulator pumps will draw.
Well, I think that when I was reading about it, it saves up to 85%.
That's right. Very, very electrically efficient. And there's a lot of heating systems around that might have 3 or 4 or 6 or 8 pumps on it. So even though each one of those don't draw a lot of power, you put them all together and it's a substantial electric load. So this can save you money just because of the efficiency of the electric motor that's on this pump.
But this is supposed to be more comfortable too for your home.
And the reason being is because this can be set up to operate in 3 different ways, basically. You can set it for just a single speed. It can operate as a 4-speed motor, so you can have it on low, medium high, or high speed. Or it comes with sensors that you can put on your system so it senses the water temperature, and it can, by sensing a temperature difference of the water coming into your boiler and going out of the boiler, you can set it so it can maintain that perfect temperature rise.
So it modulates kind of.
It can modulate, right, and it can maintain that perfect temperature rise, which has a lot to do with the efficiency of your system. And also, you could put a sensor on the leaving water temperature pipe so that you can maintain a certain temperature, so it can vary the flow to maintain the temperature, and that's like what you say has to do with the comfort.
And I'm sure a lot of people are wondering, this can replace any circulator pump that they have right now, right?
It can, that's right. So anytime you have you want to upgrade, maybe you just want to upgrade because of efficiency, or maybe you want to upgrade because of comfort, or maybe you need to replace a pump because it's failed, this is a great option for you.
So, if you want to learn more about hydronic heating, the new Bumblebee pump, please give us a call or stop in here at Modern Heating and Plumbing. We'll see you next week.
Thanks for joining us.